Hey everybody, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, and in today's video we want to show you how to remove the lock screen on your Galaxy Watch 4. So for demonstration purposes, we have our Galaxy Watch 4 here, and this is the 46 millimeter, and it is the Classic. And so what we want to do is to remove the lock screen. Now if you look at the screen closely, you can see there's a lock icon at the top of the screen, which is showing there is a lock on the watch. And so to remove the lock screen, what you want to do is swipe up, and because there is a lock, to be able to get into the watch, to change it, you have to unlock it. And so we'll put in the passcode, 4-digit passcode to unlock it. And so it's unlocked, and we want to swipe up and go to the settings, which is the gear there. Tap on that. Once that's open, we're going to scroll down to where we would see security. Tap on security, and then tap on lock, and then tap on pin. Then it's going to ask you for the pin again. You put it in, and then what we want to do is scroll down to where you see none. Tap on none. Once you tap on none, it said if you turn off the lock, that it will reset Samsung Pay. And so on this particular watch, we have Samsung Pay activated. So if we want to remove the lock screen, that will nullify the Samsung Pay. You would have to reset that up. So we're going to do it anyway. Tap the check mark, and we no longer have a lock screen on the watch. And so we hit our home button and come out of that. We no longer have a lock screen, so you don't even see the lock at the top. And to verify that, let's cover up the watch, make it go to sleep. And so now the watch is asleep. If we would have hit our home button and cut it on, now you no longer see the lock icon at the top of the screen. And so now you know that there isn't a lock on it. So you can get into the watch by swiping up, and you don't have to put the passcode into it to open it up. And so that's it for our video for today. How to remove the lock screen on your Galaxy Watch 4. So hopefully we shared something that you can use and something that was beneficial. If so, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Hit the like button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can be notified of new content as soon as we release it. And again, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, bringing you technology that's on the move. Thanks.